How to increase the brake performance of the auto vehicle in all conditions like laden, unladen and circuit failed condition. Existing brake circuit design, when all the brakes working condition, the rear wheel locks first in laden and unladen condition. So we cannot increase the rear brake force further. We can increase the front braking force by increasing the wheel cylinder size, but it is difficult due to the space constraint in brake assembly. We can also convert drum brake assembly design to caliper design, but there are lots of parts modification is required. We can increase the front pressure and decrease the rear pressure by putting PCR VR load sensing valve, but it will increase your pedal effort. We can put a booster to reduce the pedal effort, but there is no vacuum source in auto vehicle single cylinder engine. The next concern in existing three-wheeler brake circuit design is when rear circuit failed condition, the vehicle has to stop by front one wheel brake system alone, and it will lock soon due to one wheel addition with lesser pedal effort. So if we have two wheel addition in circuit failed condition, we can brake performance it will be better. Brake pedal is connected to the tandem master cylinder. The primary port of the tandem master cylinder is connected to the front brakes assembly, and secondary port of the tandem master cylinder is connected to the rear brakes. When secondary circuit failed condition, vehicle has to stop with the front brake system alone. To double the circuit failed deceleration, we need a separate chamber, master cylinder chamber for each wheel. Primary is connected to the front brake assembly, secondary is connected to the rear right side brake assembly, and tertiary is connected to the rear left side brake assembly. So if any one circuit fails, other two will be in operation. Since this type of master cylinder is not available, primary, secondary and tertiary, we have tried with the existing tandem master cylinder by putting the force clamp at one end, check the vehicle stability, found okay. Then we have tried with two master cylinder, existing master. Two tandem master cylinder is connected to the brake pedal. First master cylinder primary is connected to the rear right brake assembly, and the secondary of the first master cylinder is connected to the rear left brake assembly. The second master cylinder primary is connected to the front brake assembly and the rear one made dump. So if any one circuit fails, other two brake assembly we have, and two wheel addition. And also the front brake pressure will be double compared to the rear brake assembly. With existing brake circuit design, in unladen we are getting only 5.85 deceleration. After that rear wheel locks, and laden it's 6 meter per second square deceleration. After that rear wheel locks, and circuit failed, rear circuit failed, we are getting only 2.6 meter per second square deceleration in unladen and 1.9 deceleration in laden. This is the proposed design. The proposed design in all healthy condition brake also we are getting higher deceleration like a 5.35 meter per second square in unladen and 5.3 in laden, and also we are getting the double the deceleration in circuit failed condition due to two wheel addition. We are getting 4.2 meter per second square deceleration in unladen and 3.54 meter per second square in laden. Against we are also able to meet the UN standard as well GTR3. So we are getting better performance in all healthy condition as well as circuit failed condition. For that additionally we required is one tandem master cylinder which is connected to the floor by a bracket and connected to the brake pedal by one shaft. We can connect this to the reservoir with the existing or one remote reservoir. How it will work means if you press the brake pedal, the existing master cylinder and new tandem master cylinder will work simultaneously. The existing master cylinder is connected only to the front wheel through this pipe, and a new tandem master cylinder, one port is connected to the rear left and another port is connected to the rear right. So here the tandem, the existing one will have double the pressure of compared to the rear pressure. So the more pressure we can able to stop the vehicle sooner. So the performance will be double. And in circuit failed condition also, if front fails, the rear two will work, and the rear any one fails, front and rear will work. So the circuit failed condition also, it will be double the performance of the existing.